Hi everyone, I am back today with a new video. I'm barefaced and ready to do a review on the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector. So this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. I really like the packaging because it's in a squeeze bottle, and so it's easy to sort of have control over how much you're putting on your hands. So I will say that I tried this product yesterday. I tried it with a beauty blender, and I also tried it with a brush, and I didn't really care for it with either one. I feel like the product was just kind of soaked up by the brush and the beauty blender. So what I'm gonna do is I'm getting ready to go and hang out with Jacob's family in a little bit. So I figured I would just jump on here and record a quick video and use this again, but I'm gonna use it with my fingers. So I wanna see how it goes on just using my hands and not using a beauty blender or a foundation brush. So just reading up on this, it comes in, it looks like 12 colors. I will say this color is a little too dark for me. It's a little more on the orangey side, but I did make it work after sort of blending it through. So when I put it on my face, it may look a little dark. Okay, so it says it's a revolutionary skin tint. It blurs and enhances skin for a perfected complexion. Weightless, effortless, and fresh. And a new category of foundation for beauty that is all you. The claim is that, to me, is that it looks like your skin but better. I will say wearing it yesterday, it is super weightless, and once it did set into my skin, it felt like I wasn't wearing anything on my skin. So I will say I did like that. So I'm gonna shake it up. So I put about that much on my fingers. It is a little runny, but I don't mind that. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's a little orange. It's a little orange. It dries really fast, and I guess I'm not used to that. I'm used to using more products that are a little bit more dewy, and they don't dry very fast. This one dried super fast. Okay. I'm not digging this. Okay, so I'm a little close up. Sorry, I'm all up in your space. Hopefully you can see this. So you can see like all the redness here. Actually, this wasn't even there before I put the foundation on. All in here, it's like super flaky. Like, it's like flaking off of my skin, and then you can see all my redness right here. All this redness is not even covered. It's actually more red, and it's just super patchy. Like all up in here, it's super patchy. So, and it's like flaking off. My skin is actually way more red than it was. See right here on my nose? It is way more red than it was when I first put it on. So there's like little patches of redness coming out. No me gusta. Okay, I went and grabbed an Artiste brush. If you don't have one of these, get one. They're a little expensive, but you know what? Morphe started selling them. Not Artiste, but they started selling the same type of brush. And I know Real Techniques sells them too. They're really, really great, and they don't pick up a lot of product. They're so easy to work with, and they're so soft. So I'm gonna try and make this work. It's safe to say I do not like applying it with my fingers. I actually prefer it with the beauty blender and the brush, and I didn't even really like it that much with either of those. So I'm gonna see if this will help. Okay, yes, that helped a ton. So don't use that with your fingers. It's a nightmare. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay, well that's a little better. So I would say it's definitely buildable. It's a little better, but this brush is really helping though. It's helping like smooth it out because it was literally like balling up on my face and flaking off. I can't roll with that. Can't do it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup on camera, but I'm actually just gonna fast forward through it since the point of this video is the Makeup Forever skin tint. So since we've already kind of done that piece, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna see how it feels after I've put on the rest of my face, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so this is the final look. My final thoughts on this product is I like it. I don't love it. The things I do like about it are that it doesn't settle like into my laugh lines. Foundations do have a tendency to sort of settle into my laugh lines and just different areas around my face, and this one I will say does not settle. I also like that it's very lightweight, and I did kind of notice that after it set into my skin, it sort of took on the color that I was wanting. So at first when I put it on, it was a little too orange for me, and now after, you know, kind of sitting on my face for a little bit, I feel like it is a pretty good color. I really honestly feel like the only way I would like this or use this again is with the Artiste brush, or any kind of like, you know, sort of, I guess, paddle brush, if you want to call them, like this, just because these don't soak up a lot of the product at all, and these are just really soft and they sort of glide on your face. But I understand that not many people, or not everyone, has these, so I don't know. I feel like it's an okay product, but there are definitely better products out there. There's not really a lot of coverage, and I don't know, I think it's like $38. To me, it's definitely not worth that hefty price for what you're getting. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm gonna go and have dinner with with Jacob's family, my family. So I'm gonna go have dinner with them and hang out with them for a little bit, and just call it a easy Saturday night when we get home. Maybe just watch some shows, some Seinfeld, some Shameless. We'll see. But I hope you guys have a good day, good night, whatever it is that you're doing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.